So in this video, we'll add users for that particular organization. We have rules, invite users, subscription. So after inviting users, once they join, we can show the list of users into that particular business, and then in list we can basically assign them roles and all these things, edit, modify their roles and all. Also from roles we'll have to add permissions and all, and then assigning that role to users. So first I will just add a list of users. So for that I will create PHP artisan, make livewire business dot users. Okay, so we have this users. Now how, where, from where users will come, so we'll just use public users. Means basically we'll get that users from that particular business only. So public function mount. So when this calls, this first function will initialize and get, means we'll load all the business, and then we'll load the users for that particular business. So and this then users will be, so first we'll need to get that business. Okay, so business, then find we have session business ID, so we got that particular business, and then we can get the users. I think we already have that in model relationship. So in business we have this users relationship, so users will come. So dd all of this, then users. Okay, this function will be needed or not, let's see. So I will add this into route. So routes web.php, then I will just add it here, users, then business dot users. Here we'll add that users class, and to add users I will just copy paste this thing, users. Okay, let's see. I will add a link rather than going manually. So resources, views, sidebar, sidebar, and we'll add link below the rules. So this will be users, and link will be users, to check route will be users. So refresh. If I go to users, so business not found, so we'll have to add that model first. So use app slash models slash business. Refresh. So we are getting this users. So we are not getting the data, I think. Refresh. So these are the 6 users. Okay, so we can loop through this and we can show that, or we can do one thing. we will have to do that pagination and all these things. Okay, so we'll do that pagination. So for pagination I will just use this with pagination in user. And then basically we'll have to paginate that, so I will directly use it here. So this will be user, so I will remove this variable, will not be needed. So business ID we already have. So from mount I will just get this data, let's copy that particular thing and we'll paste it here, users, then paginate. Okay, and this will not be needed. Okay, now I have saved this. So refresh, and then we will add. So we'll go to this business, then users. Then here I will add at the rate for each group. So it will be dollar users as dollar user at the rate and for each. Then do dollar user name. Let's see if it's working fine or not. So we are getting the usernames. Okay. So basically for this, I will create a table and all these things, but the format we already have. So I will just add table here, and we'll move to the next things where we will add basically roles to that particular users, and then adding permission to roles and all these things.